Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss all the answers of the second year BDP English question bank of paper 4 under Netaji Subhas Open University in West Bengal. So let's start. Question number 1. Who has commented as mankind decision to come out of its self-imposed immaturity? Answer is Immanuel Kant. Question number 2. How is the age of Pope popularly known? Answer is Augustan age. Question number 3. The Augustan age comprises the reign of three English monarchs. Who are they? Answer is William of Orange, Mary Queen Anne, and King George I. Question number 4. Who is the writer of Novum Organum? Answer is Francis Bacon. Question number 5. Whom would you consider to be a pioneering figure of the Enlightenment in Britain? Answer is Thomas Hobbes. Question number 6. Which age is called as Age of Prose and Reason? Answer is Augustan age or 18th century. Question number 7. Who is the best known for his work Leviathan? Answer is Thomas Hobbes. Question number 8. Why the word Augustan has been applied to the age of Pope? Answer is Augustan is applied as a term of high praise because the age of Augustus was the golden age of Latin literature, so the age of Pope was the golden age of English literature. Question number 9. Who has remarked as to enliven morality with wit and to temper wit with morality? Answer is Richard Steele. Question number 10. What is the original title of the text of Virtue Rewarded? Answer is Pamela. It is written by Richardson. Question number 11. Which of the following poem is an attempt to vindicate the ways of God to man, a variation on Milton's attempt in Paradise Lost to justify the ways of God to man? Answer is The Essay on Man. Question number 12. Who is the baron of the poem The Rape of the Lock? Answer is Lord Petrie. Question number 13. Who is assigned as a character of Arabella Farmer in the text Rape of the Lock? Answer is Belinda. Question number 14. Which episode of the Rape of the Lock is compared with the putting on the armor of an epic hero? Answer is Toilet Scene. Question number 15. What is a symbolical meaning of the passage of time as discussed in James Thomson's Spring Season? Answer is Stages of Human Life. Question number 16. Which of the following group Thomson, Collins, Gray, Cowper belong to? Answer is Precursors of Romantic Poetry or Romanticism. Question number 17. What is a common thing in Milton's Lycidas, Shelley's Adonis, and Tennyson's In Memoriam, and Thomas Gray's Elegy written in a country churchyard? Answer is all are elegies. Question number 18. What is the most common theme of the Graveyard School of Poetry? Answer is death. Question number 19. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem Elegy written in a country churchyard? Iambic pentameter with ABAB or alternate rhyme scheme. Question number 20. In which of the category would you put Swift's Gulliver Travels? It is a travelogue or travel literature. It is also a satire. Question number 21. How many voyages are initiated by Gulliver in Gulliver Travels? Answer is 4. Question number 22. Who is Man Friday in Robinson Crusoe? Answer is Slave of Robinson Crusoe. Question number 23. What is the secondary title of She Stoops to Conquer? Answer is The Mistake of a Night. Question number 24. Goldsmith's use of comedy manners revolves mostly around whom? Answer is young Marlowe. Question number 25. Who does Thomas serve in the play The Rivals? Answer is Sir Anthony. Question number 26. Who is Lydia's keeper? Answer is Lucy. Question number 27. Who is foil character to Lydia in the play The Rivals? Answer is Julia. Question number 28. What does Johnson's phrase about Shakespeare's fatal Cleopatra refer to? Answer is quibble. Question number 29. Here, files of pins extended their shining rose, puffs, powders, patches, Bibles, bleed dew. What is the meaning of the term bleed dew here? Answer is love letter. Question number 30. Nature like liberty is but restrained by the same laws which first herself ordained. From where these lines are quoted? Answer is an essay on criticism. Question number 31. The French Revolution took place in the year 1789. Question number 32. Who is a leading figure of the French Enlightenment? Answer is D'Alembert. Question number 33. Who is the writer of Essay Concerning Human Understanding? Answer is John Locke. Question number 34. Who is the writer of Advancement of Learning? Answer is Francis Bacon. Question number 35. Who has coined the dictum, I think therefore I am? Answer is René Descartes. Question number 36. John Locke advocated religious tolerance in his Letters Concerning Tolerance. Question number 37. Who has initiated the social contract theory or power? Answer is Thomas Hobbes. Question number 38. In which work Immanuel Kant challenged the limits of human knowledge with the help of what he describes as transcendental reason? Answer is Critique of Pure Reason. Question number 39. Manfredi as a character appear in the novel of Daniel Defoe, and the name of the novel is Robinson Crusoe. So the answer is Daniel Defoe, the author of the novel Robinson Crusoe. Question number 40. Whose name is associated with the impersonal theory of poetry? Answer is T.S. Eliot. Question number 41. What is the seminal work on the theory of the novel published in the year 1987? Answer is Ian Watt's The Rise of the Novel, Studies in Defoe, Richardson and Fielding. Question number 42. Pope's magnum opus was the Essay on Man, a philosophical poem written in heroic couplet. Question number 43. Who requested Pope to write a poem that could generate laughter and dissolve the social tension? Answer is John Cryle. Question number 44. Who is the opinion of the famous line, use of pompous expression for low actions is the perfection of the mock epic? Answer is Alexander Pope. Question number 45. Belinda smiled and the world was gay. What is the rhetorical device used here in this line? Answer is hyperbole. Question number 46. Puffs, powders, patches, Bibles, bleed dew. Mention the figure of speech used here. Answer is, it is an example of anticlimax or bathos. Remember, it is also an example of alliteration because the letter P, P, P and B, B are repeated in the line. So it is also an example of alliteration. Question number 47. Who is the leader of selves as mentioned in the poem Rape of the Lock? Answer is Ariel. Question number 48. Mention the name of the dog of Belinda. Answer is Sock. Question number 49. In what century is Robinson Crusoe set? Answer is 18th century. Question number 50. Who introduced the periodical the Tatler in the year 1709? Answer is Richard Steele. Question number 51. In which periodical Sir Roger at Church was published? Answer is The Spectator. Question number 52. Who is the author of Sort of the View of the Immortality and the Profaneness of the English Stage? Answer is Jeremy Collier. Question number 53. Who is the author of The School for Scandal? Answer is Sheridan. Question number 58. The first epilogue of the play She Stoops to Conquer, spoken by whom? Answer is Miss Kate Hardcastle. Question number 59. What is the source of the title of the play She Stoops to Conquer? Answer is John Dryden's The Hind and the Panther. Question number 60. Who is in love with S.N. Beverly in the play The Rivals? Answer is Lydia Languis. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.